Guys, good morning. It's 15th April today and I am all ready. I wore a blue jeans, which is very rare. Anyway, so today I have my driver's license test. So that is what I got ready for, and my friend is coming. So we both are be going together for the license thing. I hope I'll get the license. I think I will. I'm not really sure. But yeah, I think I'll get it. So I'll take you along. I'll see as much as I can vlog there, or if people are looking weirdly at me, I can't do anything. But I'll try to vlog as much as I can. And I absolutely, wait a second, let me show you like clearly. And look at the top. How pretty it is. It says NASA. It's like a cropped sweatshirt. So my style. I'm into sweatshirts. I love whites. I love neons. This sweatshirt screams my name. This is actually from H&M, and I got it for only 799 rupees, which is perfect. So yeah, that is the plan right now. I'll take you along. Hi guys, so I'm just done with my driving test, and guess what? I have passed. If you can see. So yeah, I'm here with my friend Charan. This is Charan. And yeah, we are just done with the driving school, and probably now I'll go get my nails done because they almost have grown more than half. So yeah, I'm so happy. Although I was a little tensed while driving it, but whatever, it's done and I'm so happy. I did not go back to the driving school. I can drive legally. See you later. Hi guys, the lighting is a little weird, I know. And so for lunch we came to this place called as Qismat. It's like an Arabic restaurant. We came here to have mandi. So they give us like little cabins. Let me just show that to you. So there is like a curtain to get in. See if you can see, there are individual tents where you can sit. And yeah, this is our tent, and this is Charan. This is how it looks like. And we just got our soup. What soup is this? We have no idea. It's like a complimentary thing, and it's so pretty, and it's like so private, you know. We don't really have contact with the people who are beside us or anything. So yeah, let's taste this one. Got some. I burned my mouth. It's actually pretty good, but if you can see, it's all over the place now. So yeah, it is good. And now we just got our starter. This is called as GFC chicken. I think it's Qismat fried chicken. So this is how it looks like. Let's taste it. It's actually KFC chicken. We got our mayonnaise. It's a KFC chicken, no? So here's our juicy mutton mandi, and this is how it looks like. I tried it already and it tastes super yum. This is my most favorite place to have mandi. So yeah, we are having lunch and I'll meet you after this. Hey guys, so it's 16th April today and the time right now is around 6 p.m. So me and my family, along with my cousins and two other families, we decided to go to farmhouse today just to spend a brief time. We are going to come back day after in the morning. So yeah, we are just going to chill there for 2 days, around 2 days. And I've been just lazing around all day, so see you later. And oh my god, 2 chairs came along with this, and this is the only bag I'm carrying for 2 days. Can you believe that? Bye. And guess what, who is driving? So yeah, I'm going to be driving for that long distance for the first time. Already I drove once back from there, but that time I had someone to help me out, but this is the first time I'm traveling for such a long distance. I'm really excited, to be honest. See you later. We just reached. The time right now is around 7:45. My mom forced me to drive very slowly, so that's the reason why we reached a little late. So all of the women, the moms are preparing pav bhaji for us tonight. So yeah, that's the plan. And the weather is like so good here. Like I wish I could stay here all time because it gives me such peace. But yeah, I'm really not hungry. But you know, you're not hungry, but when something nice is in the making, you would want to eat them even if you're not hungry. So that is what is happening right now. Louis is putting up a show for everyone. So guys, this is our situation right now. This one is burnt. This one is perfect. This one is half cooked. This one is half. And this one is also half cooked. And they are still not cooked. And one is cooking. So we are not really sure how anything is going to turn out. But this is bad. I'm sure this is going to be perfect. Let's taste it. And this is bad. Everything we're putting in for 1 minute and some things are perfect, some things are burning, some things are half cooking. We have no idea what is even happening in here. But it's almost fail now at this point. And here we have our cakes. At least all of these are successful. Now we are going to be adding chocolate ice cream onto them and eating it like that. And here are our chocolate lava cake with chocolate ice cream. Looking pretty. Good morning guys. Of course I have to give you this clip. Came out for a little walk and this guy is just having a little fun. It's so super sunny though. It's really sunny. It's like I just don't want to wake up today. I just want to sleep all day. This is our cat. She stays here. I'm not sure even if it's he or she. She's a little scared. I'm guessing she's a she. So yeah, she comes to us whenever we come here. She comes into the house, meets us. She and Louis, you know, they just look at each other. She's such a cutie. We just gave her there's some construction work going on, so ignore the sound. And she's so cute. Oh my god. Look at this guy. He's so mysterious. Like look, these are all like onion plants. Of course the onions are like completely grown. We need to pluck them out. But look, this guy ruined everything. Like look, Louis, you're a bad boy. Look at this little guy. Oh my god, how cute is he? Hi. we are going back home. And here again, my favorite part of Sunday afternoon. And I'm just going to chill. I'm just excited doing this. I don't know why. Bye. So that is all for today's vlog, guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys super soon in my next vlog. Take care. Bye.